target marketing all those people that they feel are super vulnerable, or anyone who thinks they're going to make money is a target of a scammer. Okay, so they target the European countries: Norway, Finland, Germany, France, Italy, England, Canada, Australia, New Zealand, anywhere. And they usually recruit people that have a local accent. So they could recruit English people with English accents, they could recruit French people with French accents, and German people with German accents, Australians with Australian accents, and they're very clever. They're very clever, they're very sophisticated, and they know the business inside out. And what they do is they try to encourage you by offering you the most ridiculous returns, where you can either make 20, 30, 40% or double your money within a short period of time. And what they normally do is they try to get you on two main markets: on cryptocurrencies, obviously Bitcoin, and on FX, foreign exchange. Okay, and they do know a little bit about the market, they learn some technicalities, and they try to impress you with their knowledge and the fact that the website is safe and they're big and it's a good name, and they invest a lot of money in sophisticated websites. They invest a lot of money in good quality salesmen that are basically thieves and scammers. Now, once you deposit your money with these people, what they'll do is they'll probably look to grow your money. That's if they are sophisticated. They'll probably look to grow your money and make out as though you're actually making money. Then you pour in more money. To say, well, why did you put in another 5,000 euros or 10,000 euros or 20,000 euros? Okay, but they are manipulating the numbers. They're fake numbers. They manipulate the computer system and the trading platform to make it out as though you are actually making money, but you're not making money. Okay, what eventually happens is that they'll take all your money, whether it's a 5, 10, 20, 30,000 euros or pounds or dollars, whatever you throw at them, and they'll make that grow, and then they'll wipe it out, so your money goes to zero. Now, that is scammer number type A. Okay, let's call it type A. So those are the people that are trying to make out as though they're honest, but they're not honest. Okay, even if you make money and you ask to withdraw your money, they might give you a initial withdrawal, but then that's to give you a feeling of confidence, and then they'll wipe out the rest of the money, and you've got nowhere to go to get the money back. And often within a few months, they close down the website, they change their number, and they move on, and you've lost everything. Okay. The other type of scammer, which is all part of the same football team effectively, is the scammer that just takes your money and gives you nothing in return and shows nothing of what you've got. Just takes your 20,000 euros or 10,000 euros and just walks off with it. And often these scammers want you to deposit money or deposit funds using cryptocurrency. So they want you to deposit using Bitcoin. It's untraceable and it goes through to them, and you'll never get the money back. Okay. The other type of scammer that comes on is that they are scamming those people that have been scammed. So those people that have been scammed, you then get a phone call from these other scammers that claim that they found your money. They claim that they know where the money is, whether through blockchain or whatever, and the victim believes them or wants to believe that the money's been found. But in order to get this so-called money that's found, you've got to pay them more money to get the money that you found. Now, you're so desperate to get your money back, what do? You agree, you send them another 20, 30,000 euros in order to get back your 200,000 euros. And all they do is they take the 20 and 30,000 euros and they walk off with it, cancel the number, cancel the website, you've got no contact with them, and they disappear. Scammers have no ethics. Scammers have no morals. They're just very common low-life thieves. They've got no feeling whatsoever to you and your hard-earned money. And therefore, you've got to be very careful that when someone cold calls you and calls up, they could be legitimate. But if they're saying they're calling from the authorities or from the police or from the bank or from the crypto exchange or from whatever, normally it's a lie, okay? Normally it's a lie. I would say 99% of the time it's a lie. No one's going to call you and ask for personal details, and no one's going to call you to ask to send more money to chase bad money. So you have to be very, very careful of that. Unfortunately, their tactics and their skill set is well ahead of those people who are not scammers. They're common thieves, they're lowlifes. Now, these scammers and these companies are normally backed by gangsters, mafia, violent people, criminals, and I've been in contact with a few of them. Believe you me, and I've had my life threatened, I've been called names, and they really don't want their business threatened. They're dangerous individuals. So anyone who calls you up and tries to get you involved in some sort of cryptocurrency exchange or foreign exchange trading, it might be legitimate, may be legitimate. You can always do some research and check them out. Worst comes to worst, you can contact me and I will do some due diligence for you and see if they're a legitimate company. But you've got to stay away from these people that cold call, the scammers, and that ask you to transfer money. Everyone wants the dream of making a lot of money, but in reality, it just doesn't work. This is Mayor Walensky with Driving Markets. Beware of scammers. Have a good day.